Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian is one of the more famous houses from the Middle East, from United Arab Emirates. And this lineup, the Sapil lineup, is their cheaper lineup for the Swiss Arabian. But I unboxed and reviewed many Sapils before, at least 5 or 6 of them, and every time they were very good for what I paid for them. So this one is called Sapil Chichi. It's a funny name. Yes, there is a song by an Iranian or a Persian Iranian singer. His name is Arash, and he's one of the quite famous in Iran. And he's got a very uplifting, very funny, very dancey song. It's called Esmet Chichi, which means what is your name. So Chichi in Farsi means what, or what is it. I'm not sure what is in Arabic translation, so this is a small disclaimer. I'll leave the song in the description, the links of it if you want to go and watch it. It's just a silly song. It's uplifting, it's funny, it's dancey. It's nothing serious here, especially if you're young and you like this kind of clubbing, very funny, very uplifting song. You can go and have a look. Anyway, so this one is 100 ml Eau de Toilette. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. It's not readily available everywhere. You can find it 1 or 2 places in United Kingdom. So in other places in your area, in your country, you have to Google it and see if it's available. This one is one of the latest one from them. I think it came out either this year or last year. So it's one of the latest one. So you can see the coloring suggests it's going to be fresh. It's going to be probably aquatic. And here we go. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Over 90% of people who watch my videos are not subscribers, which is a travesty. It's a tragedy. I don't know what to do to convince you to subscribe. Please, it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't, you don't have to pay money. It doesn't, but it helps the channel a lot. You know, the YouTube algorithm is one of those mad system that if you don't get enough subscribers and enough views and enough likes and comments and things like that, the YouTube is basically dump your videos in one corner. It doesn't suggest it to people, it doesn't promote them basically. So your help will help a lot. Thank you for your support. Anyway, so look at this blue box. It says Sapil Chichi for men, 100 ml Eau de Toilette. Sorry about the noise. So I'm expecting it to be summery, fresh. Let's see. Oh, not one of these again. Oh, come on, Sapil. Why you do this? Bloody hell. They put this rubbish and they just ruin everything. Come on. Anyway, apart from that. Anyway, so look at that. Very clean. See through, almost no color to the juice. Very watery. Very eye-catching. It says Chichi Sapil. Very pretty bottle. It said very light blue tinge to it. The cap is plastic, and the atomizer, here we go. Good atomizer. Okay, so how is Sapil Chichi for men 100 ml at the toilet? First sniff, first impression. Ooh, fresh, fresh, and more fresh. Hi, very, very good, very uplifting, very inviting. Holy moly, aquatic, watery, very watery, and very aquatic. Little bit of saltiness in here. Definitely very, very citrusy. I can smell lemon, I can smell lime, I can smell grapefruit. So it's a combination of few citruses, making it super bright, super inviting, super easygoing. Definitely aquatic, sea aquatic, not oceanic, not too salty, but it is salty. Definitely very watery. Water, water, water is all about water. Look at the, when you see this, you know what it smells like. You know, it's just a good representation of what is inside, and also the color is very appropriate. Chichi, I'm not sure what it means in Arabic, but in Farsi it means what's, or what is it. So anyway, so at the moment, very, very fresh, very bright, almost goes to the realm of Versace pour homme eau fresh. Versace eau fresh, yeah, pour homme eau fresh, yeah, the blue bottle. This, you know, very, very light blue bottle. Yeah, almost goes to that realm. It's very, very similar. I'm not saying it's a 100% copy of that, but very similar, maybe 70-80% similar to that one. Definitely woody in the base, so it's got a very clean woody base. It's most likely to be cedar. Very clean, very, very clean. It just lifts everything up. There's no woody smell to it. It's just basically is there to lift everything up and support every note in here to make it last longer. Very aromatic, so I'm expecting it to have some lavender or maybe violet in here. Very, very aromatic, little bit on the powdery side, so it could be violet, but very aromatic, very bright, very citrus, very watery, little bit of saltiness. Definitely reminds you of beach, seaside, sea resort. To some extent, little bit suntan lotion. Maybe there's a coconut in here. Yeah, it's just a hint of it. It's very, very small amount of it. So probably there's a coconut in here as well. So it's quite tropical as well as the aromaticness and the watery and the citrusy and the little bit of fruitiness as well. Yeah, very bright fruit. What kind of fruit is it? Maybe a little bit of melon, watermelon, a little bit of cucumber. Yeah, very, very bright and light and refreshing. So it's very refreshing, super, super refreshing, very easygoing, very fresh, very watery, very fruity, very citrusy, a little bit of woodiness, and also aromatic, very, very aromatic right now. Yeah, I am absolutely loving this. Beauty in a bottle, especially for this time of year. We are in the middle of summer. At the moment, it's quite warm out there. In London, it's around 25 degrees, and this is perfect for this weather. It just uplifts you. It cools you down. Does it have a mint? Yeah, maybe a hint of mint in here as well. Just a hint, just a tiny bit, just to give it that cool, refreshing feel to it. It smells like what's called, not the mint, the other one, peppermint. So maybe a little bit of peppermint in here. Yeah, a little bit of peppermint, little bit of pepperiness overall to give it that fizzy feel. What a beauty! I wasn't expecting at all. I thought it's going to be similar to maybe Blue de Chanel or something like that. But this is quite close to Versace pour Homme Eau Fresh. Not a copy, not an inspired, no, but similar genre. Very, very fresh, very bright, very happy, very watery, very uplifting, very inviting, no brainer whatsoever. And it doesn't have any age, it doesn't have almost any sex as well, because it says for men, but anybody can use it. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. Yeah, a little bit of sweetness. The sweetness between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, around 6, 5 to 6. So, and I'm expected to be coming from the fruits because it's quite fruity in here. There's no vanilla or anything like that. But goodness me, what a bright and happy fragrance. Beautiful, especially for this time of year. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Highly, highly recommend it for the first and the first impression. The only thing is we have to wait and see the longevity. It's Eau de Toilette and it's very, very fresh. So let's see if even if it's on the medium side, we will have a bang on our hand because it's under 20 quid and it smells much more expensive. It smells like 60, 70 pounds plus. Yes, I'm loving it. Absolutely, yes, yes, yes. For the first impression, I'll let you know in the next video the rest of the story of this beautiful fragrance. I am loving it. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way and I appreciate that very much. Please help me to expand this channel, to take this beautiful fragrances to more people out there. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make super artistic fragrances, very unique, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.